Are you thinking about getting a new vehicle? You might want to hit the brakes before splurging on that shiny, straight from the factory car. Certified pre-owned vehicles are making some waves for good reason, offering a sweet spot between new and used vehicles. If you're all about saving some cash without sacrificing quality, you're in the right place. Let us unveil 5 significant advantages of buying a CPO with us. Certified Pre-Owned, or shortened as CPO, refers to used vehicles that have undergone a comprehensive inspection and refurbishment meeting specific manufacturer or dealer standards. These vehicles typically come with an extended warranty and additional benefits, making them a compelling choice for buyers seeking the assurance of a reliable and well-maintained vehicle without the hefty price tag of a brand new car. The hallmark of certified pre-owned vehicles is the meticulous inspection they undergo before earning the certification. Manufacturers and dealerships establish a set of rigorous criteria. It covers everything from the mechanical components to the cosmetic aspects by trained technicians that meet or exceed the predefined standards. The process thoroughly examines the engine, transmission, brakes, suspension, and other vital systems. Any defective or worn-out parts are replaced or repaired, bringing the vehicle to the manufacturer's specifications. Additionally, the vehicle's history is thoroughly reviewed to ensure that it has a clean title and has not been involved in any major accidents or undergone significant damage. Certified pre-owned vehicles typically include an extended warranty that covers specific components and systems for an extended period beyond the original factory warranty. It also provides buyers with added peace of mind knowing they are protected against unforeseen mechanical issues while reflecting the manufacturer's confidence in the vehicle's reliability after the process. The competitive pricing of CPO vehicles makes them an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers looking for high-quality, late-model vehicles without breaking the bank. Some manufacturers and dealerships may offer financing deals and special incentives for certified pre-owned vehicles, further enhancing their affordability. Opting for certified pre-owned vehicles allows buyers to enjoy the latest advancements in automotive technology and features without the hefty price associated with new vehicles. Many certified pre-owned vehicles, such as this Murano, are relatively recent models with cutting-edge safety features, infotainment systems, and offer modern amenities. This can be particularly appealing for buyers who prioritize staying up to date with the latest automotive innovations, but want to avoid the premium price of brand new vehicles. Many manufacturers and dealerships offer special financing deals and incentives for certified pre-owned vehicles. These include lower interest rates, extended loan terms, or cashback offers. These financial perks further enhance the affordability of certified pre-owned cars, making them even more attractive option for your budget-conscious buyers. Choosing a certified pre-owned vehicle from us offers numerous benefits, making it an excellent option for car buyers. From the rigorous inspection and the certification process to the extended warranty coverage and the transparent vehicle history reports, competitive pricing, and financing options that fit your budget. We prioritize customer satisfaction and provide peace of mind throughout your ownership experience. Contact us to begin the search for your next pre-owned vehicle and enjoy the reliability, the quality, and the exceptional service we provide to you.